Clint Cooper with AP Emissions Technologies, here today to talk to you about catalytic converter maintenance. Though catalytic converters are durable and built to last the life of the vehicle, they do need some attention to stay in top shape. Let's talk about what you can do to keep yours running smoothly. Catalytic converters are solid state components. They've got no moving parts, they're not electrical, mechanical, or hydraulic, which means they're designed to last. However, they can fail due to overheating or poisoning, often caused by issues elsewhere in your vehicle. So what kind of maintenance do catalytic converters require? The key is to maintain your vehicle as a whole. Here's a rundown of common issues that can lead to catalytic converter problems. Failed front air-fuel ratio or oxygen sensors. A faulty sensor can lead to incorrect air-fuel ratios, causing overheating or poisoning. Next, exhaust leaks. Exhaust leaks can disrupt the proper flow of exhaust gases, affecting the converter's efficiency and leading to catalyst inefficiency codes. Engine misfires or weak spark. Misfires lead to unburned fuel entering the catalytic converter, causing overheating. A dirty top engine. Carbon buildup can affect combustion and lead to converter damage. Dirty mass airflow sensor or MAP sensor. These sensors play a crucial role in managing the air-fuel mixture. If they're dirty, performance issues can arise. Clogged or leaking fuel injectors. Poor fuel delivery can lead to incomplete combustion and converter problems. And finally, vacuum leaks. These can affect engine performance and lead to issues with the converter. To prevent these issues, make sure you address the underlying problems before replacing the catalytic converter. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are crucial. Follow your vehicle's maintenance schedule laid out in the owner's manual to keep everything running smoothly. And if you ever need assistance or have questions about your catalytic converter or exhaust system, please reach out to our tech line at 1-800-277-2787. Our experts are here to help you with any installation or maintenance advice that you need. Remember, take care of your vehicle and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and updates from AP Emissions Technologies.